Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video. For today's project, I am featuring the mini jam jars. They come in a box like this and you get 6 of them. One warning is these are food safe, however, they're plastic, so you can't use them to actually make jam out of it unless it's freezer jam. These are plastic, they're not glass. So if you put something hot or you put them in hot water, they are going to melt. So I have 2 ways that I want to share with you how to decorate them. And the first way is a super simple way. We have ribbon along the top and paper along the inside. This would be great if you had candies or treats or whatever, and yeah, you didn't mind having the paper on the inside. So dry items. For wet items or salts or something like that, this is a better option. So this is paper and then linen thread. So let me share with you how I got this one. So I have a 4x4 piece of paper. This happens to be pansy petals. So this is a 4x4 inch square. You can see how this is lying very nicely and this is not, right? So the trick is I have a little spritz bottle with water and I'm just going to spritz it down. And already it's curving and doing its own thing. This is what happens with paper and water. So now that it is a little bit more malleable, I'm going to put the 4 corners up, making sure that it's even. And all it required was just a few spritzes. We didn't need to go crazy, right? We don't want it sopping wet, but we want to be able to bend it and make it look like the material that is gingham. So there we go. And you can see it's not sopping wet. I probably am not going to tear this, but you just want to mold it around. Just using your hands. And then we're going to tie our linen thread. So I'm going to leave myself a long tail. I think this is probably the most difficult part in the whole procedure because you want to go around a couple of times. All right. All right, I've tied a little bow. Pulled it taut. And at this point, what I would do is any final adjustments that you want to make, because when it's dry, you're not going to be able to adjust at all. There we go. Cute. So there's the fresh freesia version and this is the soft succulent version. And this version, all we have to do is, what is this? Metallic ribbon, flirty flamingo, metallic ribbon. So And I don't think it is easy ever to tie a bow on camera, or so I'm just wrapping the ribbon around the lid. And I'm going to get a tight as I can bow. So I think I'm going to give myself a little hand. So there was a glue dot. We're going to tie it very taut, putting it exactly where I want it, like that. I'm gonna kind of lift it up a little bit and put a glue dot here just to give me a hand. It's like an extra finger. So that I can faffle about with the bow. Because sometimes if you tie a knot before a bow, especially in certain ribbons, I find that you find that it looks like a big knot is there. And that is not what we want. Okay, so now I just got to adjust the bow a little bit. Aha! And once you cinch it and then adjust it just a tiny bit here and there, it's going to be perfect. And these are my ribbon scissors. I don't use them for anything else, so they're nice and sharp. And trim the bow. It's not the best bow, I will admit. I will work on it. All right, now that you've gotten the bow tied on and it's, you know, more perfect than this one, we're gonna take a strip of designer series paper that is called You're a Peach, and this particular size is 1 7/8 by 7.5. And basically what you want to do is put adhesive on one side, so, and you sort of want to curl this up. This is where the adhesive is. We're not going to adhere the adhesive yet. You kind of just want to curl it up like that. You want to drop it in like that. You want to make sure that everything is nice and secure, and then you push down the piece that has adhesive. So it's nice and in there, it's not going to come out. Put the lid on, and there you go. The two different styles of designer series paper in these jars, but the same idea. So cute, and they will hide whatever the treat or what have you is in here. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.